When you write a report about a civil rights leader, your job is to explain how that person worked to make society fairer. A strong report follows 5 parts. First, explain who the person was and when they were active. Second, describe the injustice they wanted to change. Third, explain their important actions or achievements. Fourth, describe challenges they faced. Fifth, explain their lasting impact. For example, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was active during the 1950s and 1960s. He fought segregation, which unfairly separated Black and white Americans. He helped lead peaceful protests, including the Montgomery bus boycott and the March on Washington. He faced arrests, threats, and people who opposed change. His work helped inspire new civil rights laws. Before writing, take short notes from sources instead of copying full sentences. Then organize your facts into the 5 sections. A graphic organizer and sentence starters can help you turn research into clear, organized writing.